Okay, on this problem I do not have it in y equals form, so I'll have to move the x squared over by subtracting x squared. Y equals negative x squared plus 3x plus 2. My vertex, or my axis of symmetry, is negative b all over 2a. So I get x is equal to negative 3 all over 2 times, that'd be a negative 1. So my x is equal to 3 over 2, and negative over negative is positive. So I get a 3 halves. My vertex then is 3 halves comma something. So I'm going to have to plug in the fraction to get my actual vertex. So I've got 3 halves squared plus 3 times 3 halves plus 2. So I get negative 9 fourths plus 9 halves plus 2. Common denominator of 4 will give me, let's see, positive 9 plus 8. Oops, this should be over 4. Still positive 9 plus 8 is 17 fourths. Since my A is negative, I know it's going to open down. If it opens down, that means it has a maximum. The maximum value then would be 17 fourths. 17 fourths is the same thing as saying 4 and 1/4 or 4.25. The domain is all reals. The point then is 1.5 and then 4 and 4.25, which would be about right here. I know it's going down. So the range would be y has to be less than or equal to 17 fourths. My helper point is 0 comma something. When I plug 0 in for here, I get 2. Going the exact same distance away, which would be 1.5 units away, 1.5 units this way would be at 3, 2. And then I'll just sketch my picture. Last problem. I have my axis of symmetry is negative b all over 2a. So I get negative negative 2 all over 2 times 1/4. So I get 2 over 2 times 1/4 would be 1/2. 2 divided by 1/2 is the same thing as saying 2 times 2 over 1. So x equals 4. So my axis of symmetry is x equals 4, which means my vertex is 4 comma something. Plug your 4 in up here. I end up with 16 divided by 4 is 4, minus 8 minus 3. That gives me a negative 7. So 4 negative 7 is right here. Here's your axis of symmetry. It's going to open upward because A is positive. If it opens upwards, that means it has a minimum. The minimum is negative 7. The domain is all reals. And then the range would be that y has to be, since it's upward, greater than or equal to negative 7. The helper point is 0 comma something. So I've got 0 minus 3, which would be a negative 3. 0, negative 3 right here. It's 4 units away, so I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4 units this way. The other helper point is 8, negative 3. And I can sketch my graph.